Here's a closer look at this awesome Sharp microwave. Couple things I like about this microwave is number one, the size of it. Lots of room, very spacious. Can fit lots of food in here, which is nice. Also super simple to use. Got kitchen timer, power level, keep warm clock, stop and clear buttons right here, start, touch on. Also has amazing different things you can put in, baked potatoes, frozen vegetables, hot dogs. Absolutely love cooking just about everything in here, from frozen foods to brownies. This microwave will do it all. Super high quality, very durable. Also love the look of it, just super nice and stylish in my kitchen. Works amazing. Highly recommend this microwave.